Another prominent Chinese automotive manufacturer just unveiled a new humanoid robot. This time, it's state-owned GAC Group, which is aligning itself with China's national strategy to rule the emerging humanoid robotics market by 2027. Let's take a look at the AI-powered robot's capabilities, how the automaker plans to take it to market, and what it's up against as other Chinese automakers race to manufacture humanoids. Founded in 1997, Guangzhou Automobile Group is the fifth largest car manufacturer in China, producing more than 2.5 million vehicles annually. Globally, GAC ranks among the top 15 automotive manufacturers by revenue. It's also been listed in the Fortune Global 500 for 12 consecutive years, ranking 181st in 2024. Based in the capital city of Guangdong Province, GAC is increasingly focused on autonomous driving and AI-powered technologies. The company has expanded globally through its subsidiary, GAC Motor, which has established presence throughout Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. GAC has research and development centers in Silicon Valley and Los Angeles. The automaker is experiencing record sales and growth, and it's investing heavily into R&D with around $7 billion invested in recent years. According to Auto China, GAC has registered more than 19,000 patent applications, with over 42% invention patents. The company has been exploring humanoid robotics since at least 2022, initially focusing on mobility and interaction capabilities. Now, GAC is preparing to scale production of its new humanoid, which features a variable wheel-leg locomotion system so it can navigate diverse environments. It switches between two modes, quadruped and bipedal. The robot stands 1.75 meters or about 5 feet 7 inches when upright. Its mobility system is similar to the latest humanoid from Chinese tech giant Tencent called the Five. Both robots are designed to perform complex tasks in varied settings around humans. Another standout feature of the GoMate is its energy efficiency and ability to operate for 6 hours on a single charge. GAC says the robot consumes 80% less energy than similar robots thanks to its all-solid-state batteries developed in-house. All solid-state batteries offer greater energy storage capacity compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. The batteries are typically lighter, charge faster, and are less prone to overheating and leakage. Similar to Tesla, GAC says it's using the technology it's developed for its vehicles as the foundation for its humanoid robot. That includes autonomous driving and AI perception technologies, which help the robot understand and interact with humans in real-world settings. Small-scale production is planned for 2026, initially focused on industrial and national security scenarios. The first deployment will be in the automaker's production lines, performing tasks like quality inspections. GAC unveiled its second-generation AI robot earlier in December. That robot features a wheeled structure and also runs for 6 hours. Meanwhile, a newer car maker, Li Auto, plans to also enter the humanoid robotics race when it's ready. In a video on the automotive startup's website, founder Li Shang said the challenges achieving level 4 autonomous driving must be solved before tackling more complex robotic systems. He said cars can be viewed as simple robots, and their transformation into self-driving vehicles is a stepping stone toward human-like robots. BYD, the world's largest EV maker, is also carving out its lane in humanoid robotics. BYD is reportedly building a new embodied intelligence research team to focus on developing advanced robotics. The company is actively recruiting masters and PhD grads from top universities around the world for the initiative. The team's focus will be making factories more efficient by automating tasks like assembly and inspections. BYD plans to invest 100 billion yuan, or nearly 14 billion USD, into advanced AI. If BYD aims to take on Tesla with its own humanoid, it has some big challenges. The automaker has catching up to do, as Tesla has been developing its Optimus robot since 2021. It's a priority project, and Elon Musk says it will one day become the company's top-selling product by far.
I think everyone in the world is going to want one, like literally everyone. I think the ratio of humanoid robots to humans will probably be at least 2 to 1, something like that. 1 to 1 for sure. So, which means like somewhere on the order of 10 billion humanoid robots.
While Tesla already designs most of its robot components and systems in-house, BYD relies heavily on partnerships. Primarily seen as an automaker, BYD must overcome perceptions to be taken seriously as a robotics innovator. There are also plenty of advantages. With more than 30 factories worldwide, BYD's production scale eclipses Tesla's. Like Tesla, BYD is seen as a leader in factory automation, already proving it can effectively scale. A convergence of factors is pushing BYD to innovate faster. A growing labor shortage in China, intensified by the country's aging population, heightens the need for automation to meet demand. China's national push to dominate humanoid robotics by 2027 aligns with BYD's factory automation and robotics ambitions. With strong government support, BYD has access to funding, talent, and research collaborations to accelerate development. And BYD has already deployed humanoid robots in its facilities, such as this industrial robot from UB Tech. In this footage, Walker S1 robots collaborate with an autonomous tractor and vehicle as part of a full-stack logistics system. The robot's camera system delivers 360-degree safety monitoring, while its hands have special sensors to grip and hold items with just the right amount of force. Yet another Chinese EV maker is further along in its venture into humanoids.
This is our chip. On August the 23rd, we successfully tape out our chip. We're going to use this chip in XPeng's cars, robots, and flying cars.
This is Iron, the new humanoid robot from XPeng powered by the Chinese EV automaker's Turing AI chip. XPeng says the chip gives the AI robot the ability to think and reason on its own. They're positioning Iron as a leading competitor to the Tesla Optimus humanoid robot.
I believe that humanoid robots are developing quicker and quicker with the empowerment of AI capability. And today, this is the first time that we announced that the name of our AI robots, it's called Iron.
Standing 178 centimeters or about 5'10", Iron has 60 joints that mimic human-like motions. The reported 60 degrees of freedom exceeds recent claims by other Chinese robotics firms. Fourier's GR2 has a reported 53 degrees of freedom, while Kepler's Forerunner K2 industrial humanoid has 52. It supports complex decisions, handling large AI models with up to 30 billion data points. It has 2 neural network processing units for high-speed data processing, AI-specific tasks. XPeng says 2 independent image signal processors deliver clear visual processing, even in low light and challenging conditions like rain and nighttime. XPeng says Iron is training at its factories before it's deployed in stores, offices, and households. XPeng introduced its first humanoid robot prototype, the PX5, back in 2023. To stay up to date as China's humanoid robots evolve rapidly in 2025 and beyond, make sure to subscribe.